Hey everybody, this is Mr. Mikesell getting ready to show you the final unit we're going to cover, and that of course is JavaScript. Now, what is JavaScript? JavaScript is of course a programming language. That's the thing it is first and foremost. It is a different programming language. It is a little different than what we've been working with here in the past. Normally, you are used to putting stuff inside of tags, which is true. However, now this is going to look more like those CSS sheets we worked with a little bit, where there are some commands, and then inside the commands we do some different coding. So it is, again, a programming language that allows us, I guess I should put that, allows us to have interactivity with the browser. So, what is happening is when you're filling out different forms on websites, when those alert messages pop up, when images are changing automatically, that right there is JavaScript. So I'm going to show you a few things with it here. First of all, you see I have all this typed out inside of the body, just all the text that you just saw. We are actually going to do all of our JavaScript, and this is mainly just for practice purposes. The actual JavaScript parts we're going to code up in the head section. So we haven't really done much with the head this semester, but this is where we're really going to use the head section quite a bit. So I'm going to show you how to do a real simple JavaScript to start. And you start by typing the word script. That is the main thing we are working with, and therefore that's what we declare. And then, of course, now we need to tell it what type of script, because if you look here at all your different options, those are all the different languages I could possibly be teaching you how to incorporate into a website. C#, ECMA, JavaScript, which of course is what we're working with. JScript's a little different. Don't confuse the two, please. VB, Visual Basic, that would allow some different form activity. However, that could get a little more complicated, and as it stands right now at the time of this video, our network won't allow us to use it. VB script is also a little different, and then VJ sharp, another little script there. Anytime you see the hashtag after a letter like that in a language, it's pronounced like a sharp, like in music, because the hashtag and the sharp symbol are very similar. We just want to use JavaScript. Now, you do not put a slash tag after, because everything that is contained within our language is going to go in between. So you're going to have the top script type equal JavaScript, text of JavaScript, and there are some other options, which at this time we're not going to get into, so don't worry too much about those. And then we're going to type the code that we're going to code, and then we'll have the slash script to say it's the end of the script. If you forget the slash script, that could be very bad. Very bad. What we're going to do today is we're going to make it like when you click on something and that little alert box pops up that you can always click OK on. That's what we're going to change. And this is really simple. You're going to type the word alert. That is what it's called. It's called an alert box. And you're going to do a parenthesis. And now it asks for us to type our alert message. With our message, we have to put it inside of quotation marks, because that's the way it works. And we're just going to type welcome to JavaScript. The standard one is hello world, but I like welcome to JavaScript better. So alert, parenthesis, then you have a quotation mark, type your text. When you're done typing whatever, you have your end quotation mark, a parenthesis, and good coding practice says after each line of a statement to put semicolons. Why? Because that's what you do. That tells the computer that's the end of that statement. The new line coming up after it is going to be another thought. That is it, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry, there was something on my screen. So I go back to design and nothing happens. What I have to do is go up to File, Preview in Browser. All of our browsers here at the school should be equipped for this, and you just run it on one of your Internet Explorer browsers. more than likely on our school network, it will say, ask us to allow block content, which we want to. And there it is. Message from web page, welcome to JavaScript. And you did it. Now, pretty simple, right? Some of you are thinking, can I create the eternal pit of alerts? For those who have clicked around on the browser before, sometimes you may have found that. And the answer is yes. You do not create a separate script. We just continue to type the word alert, parenthesis, quotation mark, and then more text. And then after you type your text, close quotation mark, close parenthesis, semicolon. We do not have to create another script tag because this is all contained within the same script. And we can do it again. This is still fun, it's going to say. And now, take a look what I did. Why did my text not turn red? Well, that is because I made an apostrophe instead of a quotation mark. So here's the other thing. Inside of expression, it all depends on what editor you're using. The command will usually be in black, and functional text that shows up will be in red. For alerts. I'm going to just do one more. And now, of course, hit this save. Go over. File, preview, and browser. Okay, now, again, it asks us to allow to block content. Welcome to the JavaScript. We hit OK. This is fun. Okay. This is still fun. Okay. And now you try it. So what I'm going to have you do after you do a couple other videos is, of course, try it.